What can a general administrative virtual assistant do for you in your business? First of all, they can help you manage your personal life, such as making appointments or reservations, doctor's appointments, all kinds of different things for you personally. They can also manage your business calendar, manage your email. They can respond to emails. They can help you with your database. A general administrative virtual assistant can set autoresponders for you. They can help you research certain topics for maybe blogs or podcasts. They can help you book flights or hotels. They can track certain things for you. They can take minutes from meetings for you, and they can also help organize different files. They can be the liaison between you and other team members or people that work for you. They can help you with discussion on forums and help you create different things on different websites. A general administrative virtual assistant can do almost everything that someone in your office can do, but what are the benefits? They can help you so much within your business, and they can save you thousands and thousands of dollars every year. You don't have to pay for office space, technology, payroll taxes, except for they can't make copies and send out mail and things like that. Pretty much everything else, a virtual assistant